Hi, today I'm going to show you how to add a new YouTube video to your Google Classroom. I'm going to start off by showing you an example of an assignment where I have linked a YouTube video. The video for sunflowers that you can see right here has a YouTube video linked. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that assignment. You can see that there's a YouTube video and also a Google Doc to go along with it. To get started with that, you will go up to your classwork tab at the top. Make sure you click on Create, and then you can pick an assignment or material if you'd rather have it as material for your students. For assignment, I need to give it a title, so I'm going to call this one Sunflowers. Directions for your students, whatever you want them to do. After that, you're going to go to the button down here that has Add a YouTube Video. You can either search for a video or you can have a video already selected and you can just paste in the URL for that video. It's found my video. I'm going to click Add Video and then my students will be able to watch it. Next up, you need to make sure that you check on the right side for what students you want to have access to, points, due date, and topics that you want to have assigned to that video. I'm going to put this in topic 2. I'm going to select the due date as Friday, and I'm going to make it worth 100 points. You'll simply click Assign, and then you'll be all set. And it will show up at the top with the due date. You can click on it again and see, and there is my assignment with a YouTube video.